So today I'm going to be installing the DRC edge to front turn signals and the fixed rate turn signal flasher from 12 o'clock labs. I already have the DRC edge to taillight installed, so that's why the stock signal is blinking really fast, but you'll see how to fix that in today's video. So this is what I'm going to use today. The DRC 602 turn signal and smoke. This is the bracket for the front turn signal. This is the running light adapter kit. If you seen my last video, you know I threw away the fuse that came in that kit. Got my own. This is the fixed rate turn signal flasher. So here we are with it taken apart. This black one is the right signal. This gray one is the left signal. So here's the running light kit attached to the front signals. The right signal comes down and connects in here. This is the right signal, plugs right into the bike. Left signal comes down, connects right here. This plugs right into the bike. This is the fuse that I put in, the one I bought. So here it is all laid down. Kind of just laid it in there how it fell naturally. That orange one in there is where I got the power. This is the relay you have to take out to hook up the fixed rate turn signal flasher. You can see it there hanging down. You just pop out the blue wire and the orange wire from the top. So here's the final product. I think it looks pretty good. It's blinking at the normal rate. I'm going to be putting a headlight in my next video, so be sure to check that one out.